Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.